how to block calls on WhatsApp. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your settings because there's no option for you to specifically block everyone on WhatsApp when it comes to calls. So what you can do is you can go to your settings and go to your WhatsApp application directly. Now here you will see all the access that you have given to WhatsApp here. Now what you have to do is to just toggle off the microphone and camera, then everyone who will try to call you will now you won't be able to be contacted by everyone via call. So they can only message you, but you cannot receive the calls or the video calls. Now the downside for this is you cannot use your camera. For example, you're trying to send a picture here. You can't use your camera since you have not allowed the WhatsApp to have an access on your camera. Now, the other way or the other remedy to block calls is to immediately block the specific person so that that contact will not be able to call you anymore. And basically, that's how you block calls on WhatsApp. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.